And thumbs up our video to like and ring the bell.
Guys, welcome to our channel.
Okay guys, we'll have another tutorial today, and it's gonna be like that big flower balloon. I'm gonna show you how to make those. Okay, so you can use any 260Q balloon. It doesn't matter what color, as long as your big balloon. What's the size of this? Is 11. The 11 chrome balloon is the color is solid, so it's not gonna show what's inside. Okay. With that said, I'm gonna fold the 260Q balloon right here. Stick it in your big balloon, your 11 inches balloon. Stick it there, just like that. Okay, and then you inflate this. Make sure you hold your balloon here, sticking out. And I want it that size, right there. And then you inflate the inside balloon right here. Pull your balloon from the inside. Then you just let air out. I like that. It's gonna be huge. Okay, you want to make all your petals the same size. So I'll tie them here. Your 260Q, I'm talking about your 260Q. Tie that. It might deflate a little bit, but if you want, don't worry about that one. You can add air later. So now, just like that. Then this, so it will shape like that. But as I said, I want to add more air, so you can add. And then you can shape it again. I want to let air out. So I like that size. Just like that. Okay. So now you can tie this up. Tie it with the 260Q in there. There. So that's one. So we'll make more. Now there's two. So we're gonna make 6 of these petals. Alright guys, so as I said, you have to make 6 of this and make sure they're about the same. It doesn't have to be perfectly the same, but as long as it's about the same size. And 6 petals. And here it is. We will get another 11 inches chrome balloon. Doesn't matter what size you prefer. On this tutorial, we use 11 inch. So we'll put it in the middle. So we'll use this 11 inch balloon. Here it is. Plate about this big, and then I stick my hand in here. So I use you can use either a string or a 260Q balloon, whichever you prefer, whichever is easier for you. Again, I'm gonna tie the end here. And then it's off centered. Do not worry about that one. Just massage them so they'll go in the center, just like a donut. Okay, and our this would be here in the center. Now we have 260Q silver chrome. I'll pump this here. So just like this for now. So we'll try to make 3 of this and it'll be staying right here. Join. Carson, you want to join Daddy?
Now we have to sit.
And here's our special guest, Carson, and he's gonna help us. So, yes. So again, I'm gonna tie this here. So how are you today, Carson?
Good.
So you would like to say hi to everyone out there?
Hi.
So can you explain what is Daddy is doing right now?
Making some balloons.
What kind of balloons? What's the design?
Flower.
That's right.
So use the glue tape or balloon glue. And basically put it right there. Last part. And guys, here it is. So we'll flip this and then you can tie them. So now you need this. Put it in the center right here. Flip this.
Okay, guys, it's all done.
Yes, I hope you like this video and hope you learned something
And
from this.
thumbs up our video to like and ring the bell to go if you like it. So bye bye.
Bye bye, thank you for watching.